Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. I'm inside the showroom checking out this gorgeous 1964 VW Beetle. These classic Beetles are really coming on strong in the collector market. This is an absolutely gorgeous example. Two-tone, it's a sea blue color with the off-white inset along the doors and the front and rear quarter panels. Beautiful two-tone. In the video and pictures, for some reason, it's coming up a little bit more on the blue side, but it's actually got a little bit more towards the green or turquoise color in person. So hopefully some of the pictures will capture the true colors. But either way, paint and body are absolutely gorgeous. This was a Texas Beetle, so it was a relatively rust-free car to begin with, we were told, and it received a really, really high quality paint job. Body panels are super straight. You got your front and rear bumpers with the overriders. They're basically show condition. All of your chrome trim and emblems, everything was replaced or polished up at the time of the restoration. Almost all of the glass, see if I can capture it here, is original VW glass except for the windshield. You've got the pop-out rear windows. They function correctly, very cool. Really nice running boards. So it's sitting on original wheels. It has been lowered with a 2.5-inch drop spindle up front, so it's got a nice stance. Under the deck lid there is a 1641 dual carbureted motor. Really puts out some nice horsepower for this little Beetle. Runs and drives fantastic. Handles the road very nicely. Brakes are great. They were completely redone. You've got an original style roof rack. It may be an original roof rack. We repainted it and added the wood slats to it, but it appeared like it could be an original roof rack on there. Again, check out that body. So it hasn't been quite California modded. You could add a set of wheels on this and give it a whole different look if that was your decision or your taste. I think it looks just great in the classic form. Interior was completely redone in the vinyl and tweed, original style interior. Again, looks fantastic. Door panels, carpeting was completely redone. Steering wheel's original. It's got a few minor cracks in it. Nothing to affect the drivability or usage of the steering wheel. Does have a fuel gauge which works. Speedometer works. Radio currently not hooked up. It's been converted to 12 volt, so that's a nice upgrade as well. I'll let you hear it start up and running. Fires right up. I'll let you hear it. Nice tone from the dual exhaust. Hopefully you can hear how strong that motor is. If you've been looking for a classic Beetle, this 64 is definitely one you want to check out. A lot of fun to drive and enjoy, going up rapidly in the collector car market, and a really high quality example here. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks very much. Hope to hear from you.